Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And yesterday we made our Costco run here. We got this pack of assorted chops and this pack of baby back ribs here. Now we're going to take this all apart. I'm going to take the membrane off of these and put them up, and I'll probably cut them in half and put them up because about half one of these I will eat at one time. I'm going to take these pork chops and put them up. But the thing I wanted to show you was, I found something else yesterday. Is this bottle of Robert Rothschild's roasted pineapple and habanero. I had to think about that one for a while. Sauce. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of these chops here and marinate it in this, and I'm going to let them stay in the fridge for no less than 2 hours, and it could be as long as you know, overnight really. And so I'm going to start that, and I'll show you how I marinate these, and I'm going to do that first so I can put the rest of this stuff up while this is marinating. Okay, now I'm just going to take a couple of these nice looking chops right here in the front. I want you to look how nice those look, how thick. Put them in this bag like that. I'm going to take another one, put it in there just like it. Just like that. Now, next thing we'll do is put some of this roasted pineapple and habanero sauce in there. Now this is a little spicy, so if you don't like spicy foods, don't get it, but you know, we love it. And so I wish you could smell that. That smells so good. So now I'm not going to use this whole jar in there. Use enough so it can all get covered up with it though. And these are going to be some of the best pork chops you have ever eat. And I tried some of it yesterday on some other meat that I'll be showing you later on. And it was so good. And just take a look at that. Oh. I'm going in here and seal this up. But before I do that, after I looked at this a little bit, I think I'll put just a little bit more of the stuff in there. Now I hate glass bottles, and this is a glass bottle. And if I get through all of it before I drop it and bust it on the floor, I'll be doing good. Because as much as I love this stuff, I'm going to tell you right now, I'll be using it a lot. So now I'm going to take it back there and seal it up after I shake it up some more. Okay, now I went back there in my chamber vacuum sealer, and I sealed it all up, and now it's going to go into the fridge for no less than 2 hours. Okay, now just in case y'all were wondering about it, we've got 10 chops here, all sealed up in this chamber vacuum sealer, and we got 2 more in the fridge marinating, so that gives you 12 chops for $15.12, I think it was. Now it's hard to beat that. I mean, these are nice chops. These are not little scrawny things. These are nice chops. So just in case you was wondering, we got 12 chops out of it. Okay, now it's been about 3 hours and 45 minutes since I put that in the refrigerator in there. I got caught up doing other things. I really intended on just letting it sit there for about 2 hours and then fix it. But 2 hours turned into 3 hours and 45 minutes. So I'm going to dump it out of this bag here. We'll squeeze all this stuff out of this bag, as much of it as we can, because we don't want to go to waste. Because this is good stuff right here. I really hope you can find some of this yourself and try it. especially if you like it just a little bit on the spicy side. There we go. Now we're about to get the majority of it. All right, now see if I can lay this down so it won't be getting all over everything. A little piece of pineapple right there. That looks good. Okay, now I got this little rack here that comes with this Ninja FOODi Deluxe, and I'm going to take my tongs here, pick this thing up, just place it on there just like that. That just about looks good enough to eat just the way it is, doesn't it? I'm going to pick this one up and put it on there just like that. Figure out a way to get it just like that. That looks pretty good. Now, I'm going to take this access right here. I'm going to dump it right down on top of it. Because like I say, the more of the stuff I want to can get on there, the more I like it. Jeez, look at that. Don't that look good? I know sometimes I get a little carried away when I'm telling you how good something looks or tastes. But I'm going to tell you right now, that looks delicious, and we ain't even got it toward the Ninja FOODi yet. So now we're going to pick it up, and carry it over here, and put it in the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. And set it right down in this pot. Oh boy. Then we're going to shut the lid and turn on the power. And we're going to put it up here on air crisp, right there. And we're going to leave it at 390. I'm going to hit the timer button right here. We're going to run on up to 22 minutes. Then we'll hit start. Okay, now pork chop has to be minimum 145 degrees to be safe with it. So we're going to let it cook to 145 degrees. And if you like yours a little more dried out than that, let it stay in there. But I'm going to try to keep on checking this to 145. I don't think it's going to take about 20 minutes, but with all that sauce on there, it might take a little bit longer. So we'll keep an eye on it. While you can, if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure appreciate it. Thank you very much to all you folks that watch our videos. It means a lot to us. And while we're at it, everything seems to be getting worse again, so go back to, if you ever stop, go back to washing your hands every few minutes. Stay away from everybody. Watch YouTube videos. Stay home with me and watch YouTube videos. Watch ours first and then everybody else's. So, now let's let this thing run on down some. Okay, now it's been cooking a little bit over 12 minutes. Let's take a look. Looks pretty good. Let me take a temperature reading here real quick. Nope, it's got a ways to go. I'm hoping that the other 10 minutes here might do it, but I don't know. It's going to be close. It's 111 degrees now, and it's going to get to 145. So we'll keep an eye on it and see here in a couple minutes. Okay, now I noticed some of this glaze wasn't all over the top of it. I'm going to take my silicone brush here and spread it out. That stuff looks so good. Now I want to tell you what, when you get ready to grab a hold of this stuff, you better really pay attention to it, because it's just a bubbling in here. So keep an eye on it. Don't be grabbing hold of anything like that. Now that I've done, I want to check the temperature again real quick, just to see. I still think it's going to go this other 5 minutes. And that's up to 120. And this one over here is up to 125. So I'm pretty sure that other 5 minutes there is going to take care of it. So let me shut the lid and get it going. Okay, like I said, it's got 5 more minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, now it's been cooking for 20 minutes. I want to check the temperature one more time, because like I say, I don't want to dry these out. $133 and $130. Might actually have to let it go a couple more minutes. Okay, now we're down to 46 seconds here on this 22-minute cook. I just checked it again, so I feel pretty confident it's going to be ready to take out when we get down to 0 here. Because it's just about there the last time I opened the door. So if y'all get a chance, check out our links down below. You might see something down here you like from Amazon. And just about everything I use in my videos, I have a link to it down there. So check them out sometime. We're getting close to the end now, and I'm going to tell you what, every time you open that door, it looks a little bit better. Okay, there's 0. Stopped. I want you to look at these before I even take them out of the pot. It's just... that is so good looking, colorful, and that's going to be good. Okay, now we'll get them out of this pot here. Put them over here on this towel again, just like this. Doesn't that look good? Good. So now let's see if we can get them off this rack here. Turn this one around a little bit. I'll have to hold on to it with the pot holder. I'll get up under it. Like that. Now, I bet y'all have never seen any pork chops quite like that before. Scoot these over here and get this over here so you can see it better. Looks like, doesn't that look good? No, it doesn't look good. It looks great. Looks great, and I'm going to get me a fork and a knife and try a little piece of it here. Alright, let's get a piece up here next to this bone. Just about tears apart. It's so tender. I don't hardly need a knife for it. Just stick your fork down there and pull on it, it's going to come apart. That looks good right there. Okay, that's about it for this little video. If y'all get a chance, see if you can find you some of this stuff right here. This roasted pineapple and, I have to think about it before I say it every time, habanero glaze and finishing sauce here. I used it for marinade. And that sure does make these pork chops awful tender and sweet. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day, and come back and see us real good soon. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Goodbye now.